good afternoon. My name is Scott Barrington and I'm the CEO and founder of BIMStop. We believe a big part of building smarter cities is actually starts with designing and engineering smart buildings. BIMStop started out as a problem I experienced firsthand working as an architect. There's been this rapid change in the industry over the last 5 years, from designing buildings in 2 dimensions to actually modelling them full 3 dimensions. Architects currently spend over 30% of their time choosing and researching building products to go into these designs, and they're currently not getting the information they need. Also, building product manufacturers are having a really difficult time targeting these architects. Our solution for this is that we work with building product manufacturers, someone like Miele Appliance, and we turn each one of their products into a 3-dimensional digital smart model. Each model contains all of that product's options, colours, other information like green ratings, power consumption. We then take these models and push them out to architects all around the globe. So an architect designing your new kitchen can quite simply drag in the exact product they need. It's all perfect. They can choose the option and design it around for you. This is a huge problem and it's global. Architects last year in the US alone were responsible for specifying over $200 billion worth of building products. And that's seen in every country around the globe. Because a big insight at a high level is these architects are just shopping. They're shopping for building products. The only difference is they're spending someone else's budget and it's a lot bigger. So how does our business model work? Basically, the building product manufacturers, such as our client Miele, pay us an annual yearly fee based on the result they get. So the more specific product specifications we generate for them, the more they pay us. A good win-win. It's then all given away completely for free to the end users. So as an architect, you can use our platform as much as you want, and it's all 100% free. We also get a great network effect from this, whereby the more architect users we have, the more manufacturers we pull in. The more manufacturers we pull in, the more architects we pull in. So it starts off compounding and building out to build a really strong position for our company and hopefully create a winner-takes-all market. Currently, we have an enterprise-level sales team that target high-level building product manufacturers in the US market. So we've been in the US market 10 months. We have numerous clients, but we currently have the largest appliance manufacturer in the US, the largest roofing manufacturer in the US, and the largest bathroom fittings manufacturer in the US, which is over $4 billion in revenue, those 3 companies combined. In the next 6 months, we're also releasing a self-service platform to allow small product manufacturers to get their information out there to architects, and then we're hoping to drive that self-service platform upwards towards bigger and bigger clients. On the technology side, to make it as scalable as possible, we have conversion technology, which puts the smart models we build in the 8 most widely used formats by architects all around the globe. So no matter what 3D software an architect uses, they can quite simply drag and drop in the product they need. So it's completely cross-platform. We also use an outsourcing team and development company, which allows us to scale our team from 50 to 200 developers within 48 hours. So we can deliver really big projects to clients very quickly. So our traction to date, last month we had just over 15,000 products specified via our platform. The value of those products is just over $32 million. Building products are really expensive, so we're seeing great growth there. We have users in over 90 countries using us every month, and as we add more products to our platform, their engagement's increasing. Our company this year is on target to reach just over $1 million in revenue for ourselves. And a really key one is that last month we collected just over 18.5 million data points. So we collect all kind of information, right? What sort of products people are specifying, how they're using them, where they are, the companies, the type of products, type of projects. So that's where we are today. In the future, we're looking at leveraging this huge amount of data we're collecting to really help close what we call closing the loop for these manufacturer clients, right from generating demand for their building product, right through the supply chain and actually the fulfillment and the transaction. Things like using the data we have to help them actually predict what's being specified out there, to try and predict, how they need to just refocus their marketing, ramp up production in their factories. Currently, this is all information that they really just don't have. One thing we're actually looking at testing in the US coming up is linking our results purely to the transactional value of the products getting bought. And we have a pilot going where our biggest client, BSH Group, is actually prepared to pay us a percentage of all transactions, purely because our channel is that efficient. And obviously you can see a few great ties into all sorts of other ways to leverage this amazing data set. And my final slide is just a bit on our team. Why do we think we can get out there and do this? My background's in architecture, and we actually have, these are some of our key people that are spread across, we're based in Christchurch, New Zealand, and we also have people in the US and San Francisco, and one person on the East Coast. Basically, we have a lot of different backgrounds, but a real focus on the architectural industry background. Our chairman, John Holt, he's also quite well known in the New Zealand kind of tech scene, and it's been really great having him help us guide and raising our venture capital and really just growing into this, what is a massive market. Thanks a lot.